Hello, we're back again. Yeah, can you believe I am still troubleshooting? Belts are off, everything as much as I can, everything is off. And look what I discovered. This is the oil pump. This is what I found. Taking the oil pump off, it seems okay, but look what's inside the sump. Like I showed you guys before. These are belt, so these are rubber, so it's not metal. I can see there's a teeth of belt. These are belt teeth, I can see that, and there's a lot of them. Even in the oil pickup strainer, there's a lot of belt inside of it. If you can see it, there's a lot of belts inside of the strainer. But this is the oil pump belt. It seems intact. Yeah, it's a little bit rough, like, you know, it could do with a change. There's no teeth missing from that. This is the timing belt. It's rough, like there's a lot of tooths that has been shaven down, so it's worn belt. You can see it's worn, but there is no tooth missing from this belt. So what the hell is going on? You can see it's worn down. Can't really see it well, but it's worn down. I can see from some of the teeth are worn down, but that is fine. There's nothing missing. This is what I'm struggling to understand what's going on. There's nothing missing, but there is a whole heap of belt inside the sump. So what is going on? Maybe the belt had gone before and the person didn't clean the sump, or what? I don't understand what is going on. So now I'm forced to take the head off. So it looked like this is worse than what I thought. So it seems like I'm gonna have to take the head off and see, because there was no compression. There's no compression, so this is long. So I'm gonna have to take the head off. I was trying to avoid doing all of that because I thought it was just a belt that stripped, and that's an easy fix. So I've got my oil over there, oil and everything. I got my new sump, filters, strainer, sump. That's the timing belt side cover. I've got everything to go, but can't do it. I'll keep you guys up to date.